The garage door. The largest moving object in the house, standing over 7 feet tall and weighing in at 300 plus pounds. This instrument of destruction and carnage is often challenged. In 1993, federal law required all garage door openers manufactured to have advanced safety features which comply with the latest UL 325 standards. We removed those parts. We answer the challenge to determine, will it bust? What do you want to bust now?
A water bottle.
Water bottle?
So it can splatter everywhere.
So it can splatter everywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah. A water bottle. We're going to put it under the garage door. Will it what?
Will it bust?
Will it bust? Listen to Buster. He's asking, will it bust?
Will it bust?
All right, take it. Don't bust the bottle before we use the garage door. All right, take the bottle. Go put it in position.
Okay.
Oh, lay it flat. Lay it flat. That way the water comes all out. Will it bust?
Will it bust?
Here it goes. Oh, shit. That didn't sound good. I think something broke in there.
It came off.
We're dangling.
You want me to open it up?
Oh, yeah, if you could. Thanks.
A water bottle.
A water bottle?
Adversary.
A water bottle? Look, we got Super Vince back here. He can lift up the door with one hand.
Yeah, that gotch bracket came off.
Oh. And look at the water bottle. It's still alive, buddy. It's still alive, cap and all.
Don't worry, let's do it again.
What?
Let's do it again.
Want to do it again?
Yeah. Let's just do it like this.
I don't know if that's going to work, buddy.
Yes, it will.
You sure?
I know it's really bad. I do it like this.
What, standing up? Well, it's not ready yet. You broke the door.
Do it.
Yeah, you broke it.
I know.
Yeah.
I broke it.
You busted the door. You're supposed to bust the water bottle.
But it didn't come splatting everywhere.
I know. That's what we wanted, right? I'm looking at the damage you caused here. The gosh bracket. It's like, oh my gosh, you just broke the garage door. Good job.
I know. Now?
What?
Now?
What?
Now?
Hey, what did you do?
I did it.
No! Oh, it broke! It broke! We got disco.
Disco man.
Yes! Nice.
Woo!
Nice job, buddy.
I told you it could work standing up.
You're right. You're right. I was wrong. Don't tell your mother that, though.
I was